Windows 11 is the first feature update for the desktop version of the operating system. Although this is an incremental update, it's not straightforward to determine whether the latest version of Windows 11 is already installed on your desktop computer, laptop or tablet. You won't find the update names anywhere in the system, but it's released like Windows 10, receive an identification number. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to check if Windows 11 is installed on your PC. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open Start on Windows 11. Search for WinBar. Click Open. Check if the About Windows dialog reads version and OS build. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.